Hi folks, Marcus here at CountryWoodSmoke HQ, and today we're having a look at the Hamrforge Old Ironsides. So I've been sent this Hamrforge Old Ironsides grill here to have a play with and see what I think and to give a review. So I've not really had much of a play with it, I've had a couple of cooks on it, but I just want to give you an overview of its features and what a beast this bit of kit is. Hamrforge, not a common name known in the UK, they're from Quebec in Canada, and this thing is an absolute beast. It's almost 100 kilos to lift, and it's a nice tabletop grill smoker, so you'd sit it on top. You can get tables and stuff from Hamrforge to go with this. I've been sent this by the UK distributor Bacoa. I love it, it's fantastic. It's a beautiful bit, it's rugged, it's built like a tank really, and I'm looking forward to cooking on it. So I'm going to show you quickly a few of the features that I like about it. So it's made with 11 gauge steel, and it is seriously heavy. 11 gauge is about 3mm. So in my cook so far, it takes quite a lot to warm up. So I'm going to get it fired up and then we can have a look as I fire it up at some of the features. So up on top here, got a nice little chimney with a slider. So I'm going to have that fully open. You can see it's got a cracking thermometer here. This is the Tell Truth thermometer. So it's in Fahrenheit, which is great. It's just really solid and substantial. It's got these vents on the bottom that we're going to open up here, and then a tray here. As you can see, that's where you pop your charcoal and your wood. So this can run just on wood as well. Essentially, it's like a mini offset smoker. Up on this side here, there's a vent in the bottom there, and the heat goes up under there, across the food, and out the chimney. So it's like a reverse flow smoker, which is wonderful. Let's get some charcoal in. Okay, so I'm going to pop a chunk of cherry into the coals here. Give it a nice cherry smoke. And then shut that up. Okay, so welcome back. This Hamrforge has been warming up nicely. It's been sat at 300 Fahrenheit now for 20 or so minutes. This is going to be ready to cook on in a minute. In the meantime, I just thought I'd show you some of the features inside. So open it up, very heavy lid. God. Inside this one, there's a couple of racks, but these are pretty heavy duty racks there. Amazing. You've got a charcoal basket in the bottom here as well, so you can have this running as a grill, loaded up with charcoal, and you can grill a fair amount of food in there as well. It's really solid, pretty heavy these grill grates are. I'm really excited about cooking on this grill. Let's shut this lid down now, keep that heat in. I'll be showing some cooking recipes coming up so you can see what it does. I hope you've enjoyed this review. Comments below, is this the kind of grill you'd like? Let me know. Cheers.